The Team Results Masterclass was a very memorable event for a number of reasons. One, it was a great venue, we had great weather. But what was really important there is gaining insights to how to better lead my team back here at Atigro. So the thought of spending 2 whole days where I could not work at essentially a retreat, at first I was debating a bit about it because I wasn't sure it would really be worth it. I could get a lot done those 2 days at the office. But at the end I concluded it was definitely worth it because of the insights which will be with me for quite some time. I walked into this program thinking that we would be told some bullet points to work on before a project, focus on this, focus on that. That's not what happened. It's a very different thing than going to a 2-day classroom where you'll hopefully remember 3 bullet points from one of the presentations. In this, you'll remember more about how to change your behavior because of the emotions that go along with participating in those projects. I really did make some observations on what I'm like when I'm under stress and how that affects others and how I could better respond and also better encourage others to lead. I drove away with the feeling that I had some real insights into how to change how I deal with my team at Atigro. So the masterclass accommodations were really first class. Basically, you're in a 4-star hotel with your own private room and private bathroom. It really felt like you were out at a B&B and not work-based classroom. The Team Results team really did a great job of taking care of the participants during the entire 2-day project. John and his team are just fun to be around and to work with and to talk with because of how intelligent they are and how well they know what they're doing. I think the Masterclass is an excellent tool to improve the operations of your company.